Did you know elephants can detect rainstorms up to 150 miles away using infrasonic rumbles and foot-sensitive seismic vibrations? They also mourn their dead, revisiting bones of their kin years later. Elephants communicate over distances with frequencies below human hearing, almost like the whispers Baco would soon hear in the dust. Well-known facts. Largest land animals. Elephants are the largest land mammals on Earth. Trunk versatility. Their trunks can be used for breathing, smelling, touching, grasping, and producing sound. Big brains. Elephants have large and complex brains, making them incredibly intelligent. Lesser-known facts. They mourn their dead. Elephants have been observed showing empathy and mourning behavior around the bones or bodies of deceased elephants. They recognize themselves in mirrors. This self-awareness is rare in animals and a sign of high cognitive function. They can communicate through vibrations. Elephants detect seismic signals through their feet and trunks over long distances. Left or right-tusked. Like humans being left or right-handed, elephants tend to favor one tusk, which becomes shorter from more frequent use. Unique and unusual facts. They listen with their feet. Special receptors in their feet can sense subsonic rumblings caused by other elephants or distant threats like thunderstorms. Asian elephants have unique fingerprints. Their ears and skin creases are so distinct that conservationists use them for identification, like facial recognition. They're great swimmers. Elephants can swim for long distances and use their trunks as snorkels. Tusks are actually teeth. They're elongated incisors, not canine teeth or horns. Elephant calves suck their trunks. Much like human babies suck thumbs, young elephants often suck their trunks for comfort. Elephants are most afraid of bees. Elephants are surprisingly afraid of bees. Just the sound of buzzing can make them run away. Farmers in Africa and Asia even use bee fences to keep elephants away from crops. Humans are the biggest threat to elephants. They fear people because of poaching for ivory, habitat destruction, weapons and fire, loud noises. Elephants dislike sudden, loud sounds like gunshots, firecrackers, vehicles. These sounds can stress them and cause panic. Elephants are afraid of fire and smoke. In some places, fire torches are used to scare them away from farms. Predators for calves. Adult elephants don't have natural predators, but baby elephants can be attacked by lions, hyenas, crocodiles. Elephants are generally social animals and tend to get along best with other elephants, of course. Elephants are herd animals and form strong family bonds, especially females and calves. In the wild, they form matriarchal herds and cooperate in raising young, protecting one another, and finding food. But besides other elephants, they can also get along with certain other species. Birds, especially oxpeckers and egrets. Oxpeckers perch on elephants and eat ticks and parasites from their skin. Cattle egrets follow elephants to feed on insects, stirred up by their movement. Warthogs and antelopes. Elephants and these animals sometimes share water holes peacefully. They're not direct competitors and tend to ignore each other unless resources are scarce. Primates, like baboons or monkeys. In some regions, elephants and primates coexist well, especially around water sources or fruiting trees. They're both intelligent and can tolerate each other's presence. Elephants are very intelligent and emotional. They remember friends and enemies, so their behavior depends a lot on individual experience, environment, and how other animals behave toward them.